In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rare cards in Monopoly Go. By the end, you'll know exactly when to play, what to focus on, and how to use trading to turn duplicates into the rare stickers you're missing. First, timing is everything. Rare cards are most likely when you stack your play around events, especially Sticker Boom. Combine that with completing your daily and weekly tasks, jumping into tournaments, and saving your dice for the right moments, and you'll see your card pack count climb fast. Play strategically rather than constantly. Prioritize events and tournaments because they award card packs as milestones and final prizes. Every day, knock out your quick wins and other missions. Those often give packs or the dice you need to earn them. Be smart with dice. Don't burn through them on regular rolls with low multipliers when nothing special is active. Instead, save up for event windows and use higher multipliers to boost the rewards from each roll, especially when those rewards include packs. Now let's maximize your sticker rewards. When a sticker boom is live, packs can contain more cards per pull, which dramatically improves your odds at finding rares. This is the best time to spend stored dice and multipliers, since each pack is simply worth more. Keep an eye on the in-game event timer so you can line up your play. Also, grab daily sticker links and freebies from official social channels. They often include dice or items that help you roll more during a sticker boom. The trick is to collect them regularly, then use them when the boost is active. Trading is your shortcut to finishing sets and landing late album rares. Trade duplicates with friends or reliable community members so both sides make progress without wasting packs. Join active trading groups where players post what they have and what they need. It's much easier to match up duplicates there. Offer fair swaps and confirm the exact season and set before you trade so you don't get the wrong version. You can also trade for stars and use those to open the vault, which can guarantee a new sticker or even a wildcard. Consider saving stars until you're close to finishing a set for maximum impact. To recap, focus your energy during Sticker Boom, complete daily and weekly tasks, participate in events and tournaments, and spend dice strategically with higher multipliers when it counts. Collect daily links and trade smart to turn duplicates into progress. Follow this approach and rare cards will come a lot faster.